Hey, Justin and Lee out here, FNK Classic Cars.
Yes.
Say it.
Oh, word up, yours and down. So today, I'm standing here with this guy who's also standing here.
Right, I'm standing.
Because if we weren't standing, we will have fallen down and you'd have to look at the ground to see us. It's complicated.
Okay.
But anyway, he's going to put a light bulb.
Yeah.
A light bulb.
We have riveting.
An LSD light.
Screw.
LSD. LTD. What is it called?
LED.
LED.
Third brake light.
That's an LTD. Sorry, people. I know.
If you've watched our past videos, this is par for the course.
It's an L. It's an L brake light.
Right.
It's got some other letters with it.
Aftermarket. It's black smoke, so it's like looks a little cooler. You know, and the best part is it works because this one
doesn't work.
Doesn't work. Right.
So before he gets pulled over and gets a ticket for being stupid,
well,
which I don't know if you get a ticket for that or not, but
I can try.
But he's gonna change it, and we're gonna show you how to do it. And just keep in mind, I'm not gonna pay a lot for this muffler or the car it goes on. And remember, I have no idea what that has to do with anything.
We're not really professionals. We just play them on YouTube. So
anyway, we're not anything.
All right. So we probably should start with opening this.
Yeah. You see, you got to open the trunk.
Look, see, that's step one.
All right. Now, he's gonna start disassembling. I'm gonna go get the 3-pound hammer and break all the windows out of the truck.
Right. So
just for ventilation.
Right. We'll be right back for that.
Oh. Ventilation. You know, it's a little stuffy in there. It's a little stuffy in there. Can you see?
Oh, yeah, I can see.
Oh, God.
Thanks. I think I'm going to raise the camera.
Raise? I'll raise.
We should probably pause it for all this stuff. Anyway.
I'll raise the camera and
see you.
See you.
Right.
I don't know what this. I don't even have a plate right there.
All right, so step 2.
Screwdriver. You need one of those.
Screwdriver. So you need that. Because there's some
screws in it.
These 2 Phillips head screws in here.
All right. So what you got to do
is unscrew them.
See, as you can tell, he's unscrewing. I don't know if you can see me. I don't know where the camera's at, but he's unscrewing, and then he'll be re-screwing
shortly.
Right. He has to unscrew first, which apparently the screws are 6 feet long.
Number 1.
About 2 weeks to get the screw out.
Don't mix these up for nails or any other loose hardware you might have.
Well, you can staple it on.
Laying around on your vehicle.
I would think you could staple it. This should be fine.
And I would imagine this procedure will work for Tahoe, Suburbans, and Yukons because Yukon do it. Okay, so that's step 2. Look how...
You Rob Schneider here? Yukon do it.
Yukon do it. And then it just kind of like...
Sorry, Rob. We're going to have to send him some money.
Just pulls out of here.
When we first get our first $50 bill, we'll send you a quarter.
That's right. So you just, you got to get that little rubber piece past the gate.
The gate lip.
Yeah, so then it just pops loose. See, look. Look at
that. It's popping,
all done.
Popping fresh.
Oh, no, we got to.
Well, you probably should reinstall the one that works.
And then there's a little clippy doodle here, so really.
And this is the one that works.
Yeah. So look.
But right now it's not plugged in, so it probably doesn't work.
All right, so there's that. Now, as you can see, this is just a Slamazon special.
Slamazon?
Right.
It's upside down here.
Oh, sorry. So you can see, I went with a tinted version.
And he's got to switch his rubber out.
But the rubber, they don't give you a rubber. Because this is only like $30 or something.
You have to use a used rubber. So.
Well, fortunately.
He's got a patch kit.
This just pops off.
Used rubber patch kit. Anyway.
Well, look, see how this is happening?
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, yeah. Mostly by hand.
There.
Okay, so.
There you go.
The rubber. And then this one goes in there.
And this is, in case you had forgotten, this is the light that doesn't work. The red one does not work.
Right, it's inoperative.
So we'll put that there. We'll save it for another project where we just need a decorative red piece.
Right, exactly.
It doesn't matter if it lights up.
So you just pop it in. Look, see how all that stuff just
pop fresh.
Kind of goes in there.
Just like dough.
Do-re-mi.
You got it?
Oh yeah, just got it there.
Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Just kind of clicks in there.
The rubber on there. Now it's protected, so the truck should not get pregnant.
Right.
I mean, it still could, maybe. I don't know.
So there's that. Look, now, so just make sure it's all,
on there.
Right. So there it is.
Look at that, beautiful. It's like new and
like a little,
in a used kind of way.
There's like a clip there, and then it goes over the tabs.
You should have detailed the rubber first.
I should have.
Maybe put a little arm roll on it, make it nice.
Yeah, right. Shine it up.
Shine it.
Right. The truck's
65 years old. 65 years old. Maybe not quite.
Okay, so there's that.
All right, put the damn thing together.
Put the clip back in. Don't forget that part, or it still won't work.
Man, because you got to put the wire on there.
Right.
The wire makes it, electronically.
It sends power over there.
Electrical.
And I already did earlier off the video. I did check, make sure we had power. So.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
Yeah, don't just throw a light in there and be like, this will fix it, because maybe you don't have power.
Put your test light in there and see if it has
Could have a bad fuse.
Yeah, see if it has power. If it doesn't have power, then the light's not going to help.
Right, exactly.
And your plug fell out.
Well, it's just complicated.
Apparently. This is rocket science, people.
What is going on here?
Well, the rocket's not working.
Apparently I can't get the plug to go in. I don't know. What am I doing?
I'm not real sure.
I can't.
Oh, you know what?
No, I don't.
Here, do this. Watch me now.
Watching. Hold on. Leon's got step 5 here. Plug it in.
Watch me now. Look at that.
Oh, here we go.
You gotta.
Oh, look. I just wasn't holding my mouth right.
You gotta fold your wire.
Make sure it
Still
clips.
doesn't clip. What the fuck?
Oh, I gotta censor the video.
Why?
Because you said fuck.
People. You just said it.
Did?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Just beep.
Did it clip?
I don't know.
This shouldn't be this complicated, people.
Yeah, I think it did. Didn't it? Let's see if it's flat.
It didn't.
Well, then push it down further. What? Gee.
Okay, there we go. All right, would you go step on the brake pedal so we can verify?
You want me to use my foot?
Yeah.
All right, I'll step on it with
Let's
my
make sure
foot.
it actually works.
Well, hold on. I'm
holding on.
I got to walk all the way over across town where the brake pedal is.
All right, you know where the brake pedal is, right?
It's in the middle. Yeah.
Look.
Is it working?
And it works.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
All right. Bright lights, big cities. Or big,
right,
whatever it is.
Big something.
Big something.
All right, and the little pluggy.
So he's putting the rubber in, the little grommet.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna.
And then you start at an angle like that, because otherwise it's real.
And you gotta do the other side.
Real fun to get back in there.
Yeah. There you go. You got it.
Look at that.
Look at that. Now all he's got to do is put 2 screws in it, and the little grommet came out.
Yeah, that's all right.
You want a straight screwdriver, or will it click in there?
I just got the little grommet doodle popped loose.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
No big deal, folks. We got this under control.
He knows what he's doing.
We're professionals here.
Well,
maybe. I want that.
You got it?
There we go.
There you go. Beautiful. All right. Now there's 2 of these screws. One goes in each hole.
Okay.
And you use this to turn it.
All right. Go. There we have it.
There's your other screw.
Okay.
Here's another screw.
Marvelous.
I want to show everybody on camera what a screw looks like.
Okay.
In case they didn't know. I don't know. Maybe they don't. Who knows?
Then you just got to screw it in. You got to watch the rubbery doodle piece there, because it gets
as
back
Kevin
in the
would
way.
say, how the hell am I supposed to
That's
know?
right. Shout out to Kevin. Kevin Law.
The law man.
The law.
The law man. He is a law man.
Yes, he is. Okay, and then that's back in.
How the hell am I supposed to know?
All right, so the screws are in. It's plugged in. The rubber's on. The light's in.
up.
All right, so let's
The
close
door's
the
still
gate.
open.
You want to recheck the brake pedal
a little bit, so we don't break the stand. Make sure it's level.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just moved it back because I didn't want to. I didn't want the gate to grab a hold of
Sure.
your camber.
Let's make sure the rubber meets the road. I mean the roof.
You ready?
And she's good. All right, go ahead and hit it.
Push the button.
Bam.
Looks bright.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a red light special. Kmart had a blue light special. This is the red light special.
Red light special. Okay.
In case you're wondering, you're in the red light district.
That's pretty simple.
What?
What? So that's it.
Yeah, and that's us.
Look,
FNK
that's us.
Classic Cars.
Right.
And play that funky music. White Boy.
Yeti.
And
Durango.
Yeah.
So there.
Well, was it the Abominable Snowman was a Yeti, wasn't he?
He was.
Yes.
All right.
Anyway. So thanks for visiting.
This is almost like a single take video.
Yeah. Just got to put 2 peeps in it.
Just a couple beeps in it.
Beep beep.
So
here we are.
Here we are.
We're back.
That's it. That's how to install
a third brake light.
A center high mount or a third brake light
on a red truck. Now this could be any red truck. Right. But that's how you install it on a red truck.
So as far as I know,
a blue truck's going to take a different kind of screwdriver.
This should be all 2000 to 2006
red trucks.
Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon.
Only red.
And I would imagine even the Cadillac.
You think a different color would work?
Yeah, I think if this were a blue truck,
it would still work.
It would still work.
Oh well, there you go.
Yeah.
So if you need to know, there you have it.
Oh.
What?
I do have a question for you.
Oh no, not that again.
Yeah. See if you know before Leon answers this in the comment section.
Bob.
What is the fastest?
That's not the right answer.
What is the fastest liquid on Earth?
Fastest liquid on Earth.
What's the fastest liquid on Earth? You know?
Earth liquid. It's not slime.
Yeah.
Water?
It's milk.
Milk is faster than water.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
You know why? Because it's pasteurized before you even see it. You get it? Pasteurized? So just remember.
Remember, shit runs downhill. And this is what's going on right now. The shit's running downhill.
Yeah. And this channel's going downhill with it.
We should be out of business any moment.
Right.
I don't know for sure, but I think maybe YouTube is giving us $7 or $8 so far. Right. Which they probably going to want back now that they see this video. Right. But
if you found this video useful.
Useless.
Or that, give it a thumbs up.
Or a thumbs down. Is there a thumbs down button?
There is. There is a thumbs down.
There is. All right. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Right.
Prescribe. Yeah. Give a shout out to your mother-in-law. Pet your dog. Don't forget to feed your children because they're probably hungry.
Oh, and this is our first video of the new year, so Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And out with the old, in with the new. And this year, no new taxes. Read my lips.
Right.
Now we're going to raise up the old ones. We already got the property assessments. So they are going up.
Right.
But
no new ones.
No new taxes.
Right.
We're just going to raise the old ones.
Right. So anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
I hope that was helpful. And yeah,
thanks for watching.
You see us, we'll have a car, an old car.
I don't know what we're doing or something.
All right, say goodbye. Right?
Say goodbye. Goodbye.
All right, goodbye.
Thank you all for joining us, and have a nice day.
Oh, don't forget, you'll need a screwdriver.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be this one. Right. I mean, you can come by and borrow that one if you want, but if you have one at home, you can just use yours.
All right. See ya.
See ya.
It's colder than a witch's tit in a steel bra.
That's pretty chilly.
That's real chilly.
So do your thing.
Okay, you ready?
You gotta say something.
Something.
All right. Thank you guys for joining us. Something was it. That's all.
Thanks for watching. What?
What?